How to fix Instagram comments on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram comments on Android phone. It's easy, all you need to do just go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and now scroll down and here just type Instagram, and here you will find force stop. Click on it and then click force stop, and then go to storage, clear cache, and scroll down, and here we'll find the data usage. Enable all of those here and then go to permissions and enable storage. You will find it like that. Enable it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.